Most people don't know that Microsoft Word can create a passport size photo that's ready to print. Unfortunately, many tutorials stress the image without people even realizing it. In this video, I will show you the easiest method to create a perfectly sized passport photo while keeping your photo's proportions completely natural. So let's have a look. First, open Microsoft Word and click on this Layout tab. Under Page Setup, click on Arrow button and make sure your paper size is set. I am using A4 size paper. Click on this and click OK. Now click on Insert tab and here under Shape tab, select this rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Now under Shape Format, click here. Under Size, arrow button. A dialog button will open. Make sure Lock Aspect Ratio is disabled, unchecked. Now set the size of this rectangle from here. Height 4.5 cm and width 3.5 cm and click OK. Now your rectangle is perfectly sized like a passport size photo. So we will use this as a reference. Okay. So now again go to this Insert tab again. Click on Pictures. Click on this device and select any photo you want. Click Insert. Now right click on this image. Click Wrap Text and under Wrap Text select In Front of Text. Okay. Now you can move it freely and do this with the rectangle also, rectangle shape also. Right click, Wrap Text and In Front of Text. Okay. So now we will crop this image. So make sure the image is selected. Go to Picture Format and click on Crop. Again crop. Now crop the image here like this. You will see angle like this. Okay. Now again from bottom. Now looks good. Now we will resize it as a passport size photo. So let's use this rectangle as a reference. You can zoom the page to perfectly size the image. Okay. So you can zoom this page from here, or if you press Ctrl and scroll your mouse, the page will be zoomed. Perfect. Now resize this. I'm using this rectangle as a reference because Microsoft don't have a crop function which crop the image in a specific size. So you have to use this as a reference. Okay. So Control again and make sure the width is also same like this rectangle. It's pretty small. So your passport size image is ready. So now zoom out the page to see the full page. Now you can remove this rectangle. Press delete button and now here like this. Now we will print multiple photo. For that, select this picture, press Ctrl and Shift and drag this image to duplicate this image like this. Now select all images. Press Ctrl and keep clicking on all images. Now press Ctrl Shift again and you can duplicate all the row here. I say like this. You can fill the whole page or you can use 2 row only and cut the page. Okay. So your passport size image is ready with few steps. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and make sure subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification icon so to see more productive video like this.